Hello guys, and once again welcome back to this channel. This is Taha from blogosideas.com. Today I'm going to talk about Kartra and going to do a detailed review on it. So let's get started. If you have ever struggled with customer flows, email marketing, or creating a killer landing page, Kartra might help. Kartra is a marketing automation software by Genesis Digital focused on optimizing your business digital marketing efforts. Okay, so you should consider using Kartra if you struggle with web design. Lead management is not your forte. You need a way to distribute digital products. But most importantly, if you want all of those in just one place, the biggest unique special power, that is USP of Kartra, is that it is a jack of all trades for a sales funnel and has been recommended by people like Franken. Okay, so Kartra offers help with video hosting, sales funnel mapping, membership areas, email marketing and marketing automation. You even get shopping cart, you get affiliate management and many more like this. Okay, so Kartra has made our business really easy. You'll finally get everything you need at just one page. And what Kartra features is checkout page, lead page, pages, mail, funnel and campaigns, membership, videos, help desk, calendars, forms, affiliates, integrations and API, analytics, agencies and marketplace. We'll be seeing all of these in the tutorial which I have uploaded in this video, and you'll see everything about this in the next part of the video. Okay, so once we jump into the website, you can see that the greatest of all-in-one platform ever is what Kartra is for. You get Kartra checkouts. Through this you can sell products or services online through their secure and gorgeous checkout forms for both credit card and PayPal payments. What Kartra Pages does is it is an amazing drag and drop page builder with 100 of professionally designed templates, ultimately flexibility, and you get 100% mobile optimized. In Kartra Leads, you can build your leads, prospects and customer database, organize them in just one theme group via list and custom tags. Okay, next we have Kartra Funnel and Campaigns. What you do in Kartra Funnel and Campaign is it provides a multiple phase or multi-page funnel to convert visitors into leads, leads into customers and customers into recurrent clients. What Kartra Mail does is create a live or automated email or message SMS marketing campaign to communicate with and engage with your user database. What Kartra Membership does is deliver your content, course or training material with their professionally designed drag and drop membership portal builder. In Kartra Videos, of course, name suggests that you can build your videos, and video marketers rejoice pop offers midway through your video. Inject lead capture forms, and this will of course lead you to prepare a lead and more customers. What Kartra Help Desk does is Help Desk portal will support ticketing and live chat, fully integrated with Kartra checkouts, and also provide billing support. What Kartra Calendar does is you can register and organize just one-to-one scheduled sessions with your customers, all from within just one integrated dashboard. So if you are conducting a meeting or you are having some kind of clients, and if you have set a meeting with them, you don't need to just put a reminder on Google Sheets or Google Calendar. Kartra Calendar will do that for you just for free in that plan. Next is what Kartra Form. Kartra Form, it is gorgeous lead capture form. You can create your own custom field with powerful tagging and automation rules. Kartra Affiliate, this is a really good program which will give commission to affiliates. You can recruit, manage and track an army of affiliates to promote your products, flexible commissions and payment milestones, etc. Now what Kartra Agency does is, if you service other people's online business, then you can manage customer accounts from just one centralized console, that is Kartra Agency. It even have a Kartra Marketplace, and what this does is sell your marketing funnels and expert services or discover resources created by other Kartra users. And the last part is integration and API. It is really cool stuff, and without integration one cannot grow business at that limits. So what integration does is, if you are code savvy and want to program your own custom add-ons, or like what Kartra's comprehensive API will be your playfield for the same. Okay, so what makes Kartra so different? It has all-in-one account, no more duct tape. Your online business requires a bunch of different solutions that must be duct taped together, often leading to frustrating results. You know the pain. Your checkout page won't add your customers into your mailing list, or your help desk portal won't connect with your contact database, or your membership site won't revoke access when a user refunds payment, etc. Utterly frustrating and a huge waste of time till now. All of the individual sections of Kartra are woven together, so they seamlessly talk to each other without having any configure and integration or whatsoever. As a result, the tracking is global. For example, if someone lands on your Kartra page, Kartra Analytics, what does the Kartra Analytics does is just track it. If you user fills in a Kartra form, a Kartra mail subscribes him or her to your newsletter. If your customer pays through Kartra checkout, Kartra membership automatically sends out the login credentials, all of it interconnected by default. So in any way, if user is entering to your Kartra's social profile or your login, or just to check your course, the user feed, if even in any way, if user feeds his or her information, it will be possible for you to generate lead of that. And you can even minimize the points of failure and stress. When you run many platforms plug into each other, you have multiple potential points of failure. The more links in the chain, the higher chances of that one of them will eventually break. To make things worse, you need to contact a separate support team for each of those add-ons. What if they don't want to cooperate? What if they don't know how the other wax works? So Kartra, as an all-in-one ecosystem, solves that problem. Only one platform, one support team, one single point of contact. Convenient, right? So this is what Kartra does. You also have the awesome for the pro and great for the Joe. This is what they provide. One of the Kartra's main strength is that it is equally geared to both beginners and seasoned users. So even if you are a beginner or even if you are a seasoned user, Kartra will help you no matter what. You also don't have to worry. It is all safe in the cloud and it is all included. Kartra is pure cloud software. All you need is an internet connection to use it via the web browser. You'll always have the latest, greatest version, so nothing to download ever. One of the top that you will get a lot of more than what you had expect from the cloud software, because while many cloud software platforms charge you extra for every additional feature, Kartra allows all inclusive approach. So that's right, they don't charge you extra for every little feature that you might need in the future. With Kartra, it is all part of the package, every package. Also, yes, Kartra saves you a lot of money. Let's do a math, shall we? So if firstly, let's talk about the cost of all the software platforms you used to buy. Each one easily cost about $100 a month. So let's say able to get 6 different platforms for email, for landing pages, for shopping carts, funnel building, help desk, ticket systems, and everything. So $100 x 6 platform x 12 months. So this is how the calculation goes. That is roughly 7,200 per year. And luckily Kartra starts under 1,200 per year. So that is really less than a fifth of the cost. So this is what Kartra covers. Okay, now speaking about the Kartra's pricing, Kartra does not provide any free trial, but if you check the link in description box below of this video, I'll provide you a 14 days free trial for just $1. Okay, so if you want to check it out, you please check out. I'll give you 14 days free trial for just $1, all for $1. This is an interesting take on the free trial. You can use any of the plans for 14 days for $1, while it will technically require you to pay the company upfront. It is a small sum to make full use of software and decide if you like it or not. Okay, so well, speaking about the starter plan, you get up to 2500 leads, you get one custom domain, you get 15,000 emails per month, you get 50 GB of bandwidth, you can host up to 100 pages, you can host up to 50 videos, 20 products, you get 2 membership sites, add one additional team member, you can connect to one help desk, and agency is not included in this. And this plan is at around $99 a month, and if you pay annually, you save around 240. I'll show you that later. And if you want to get started, please click here. And next is silver plan, which will give up to 12,500 leads, 3 custom domains. You'll have unlimited emails, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited pages, videos, products, membership sites, team members, help desk, as well as Kartra agency. And I have explained this in the tutorial as well, what is Kartra agency. And you get this plan at $199 a month, and if you pay annually, you'll save around $600. So, and this one is the recommended plan from company and from me as well. So if you're thinking to buy Kartra, please go with the silver plan, which is best among those all. Next is gold plan. If you want to subscribe to gold plan, you'll get the 25,000 leads, you get 5 custom domains instead what you get 3 in the silver. You get unlimited emails, bandwidth, pages, videos, products, membership sites, team members, help desk, and Kartra agency as well. This plan costs you about $299 a month, and while if you pay annually, you can save around $840. And to get started, you'll just have to click here. And this was it for the gold plan. And the topmost plan and the most premium plan given by Kartra is platinum plan, which holds up to 50,000 leads. You get 10 custom domains, you get unlimited emails, bandwidth, pages, videos, as what we got in silver and gold as well. You get unlimited products, membership sites, team members, unlimited help desk, and Kartra agency as well. Well, this costs around $499 a month, and if you pay annually, this will save around $1,440 for you. If we click annual plan, which is up to 25% discount, you can see that the rates are being changed, and what you get is just $79 a month for starter pack, $149 for silver, $299, $229 for gold, and for platinum you will need just $379 a month when billed annually. So this was it for pricing plan. Okay, so once you log into Kartra website, once you subscribe to Kartra, you can see that this is what the login page looks like. And once you log into this is what your dashboard will look like. So okay, so here you have a quick start for your Kartra experience. If you don't have any experience, you can just start with their trial. They have uploaded several videos over here, so you can start with those videos and learn how to use Kartra, or I'll just be showing you the tutorial how to use Kartra. Okay, so we'll just move on to my products. In my products, you can add any of your products. So for example, I have just added a fitness product over here, you can see. So I'll just make a edit to it. I'll just go to edit, and this is what my product's eternal name looks like. So I'll just go to next, and once I go to next, you can see we have basic info, pricing, pages, checkout, post sales, affiliates, and finish. So this is what it looks like. And see, this is what my product details. Well, it is just a fake one because I just created a fake product, so I've just given it as name fitness, and I've written the description as blah blah blah. You can even have the payment processing, which you can change as well. You have PayPal, or you can just mention your credit card as well over here. We'll go to integrate your payment gateway later on. Let's quickly move forward. So next we'll go to pricing. Okay, I'll just save this, and okay, so I will go to edit the product. I'll just click next, and this is what it looks like. Next we'll go to the pricing. As I told you that now I have put a recurring pricing of $5, which will be charged weekly to my customers whoever will subscribe to my product. So this is of course digital product, so it is not a physical product, so there will be no shipping address. And if you want to apply a sales tax, you can apply, and if you don't want to, you can just leave it as it is. You can even have a refund policy, whatever you want. You can customize it over here. Right now I have 30 days money back guarantee, and I'll just save and proceed to next. In next, this is what will I selected that what will be configured later, and this is what your destination page would look like. Like you can mention your thank you URL page, your privacy policy page, your terms and service page, whatever you want, and that will be it for this. So this way you can even go to checkout, you can go to post sale, affiliates, finish. And next we have our communication. You can generate leads for your business through your communication, which is what you will go to forms. Anyone suppose makes orders, anyone imports, and this will build you lead database. You can organize your leads, you can tag your leads, you can contact your leads, and you can build their profile for sending any of your messages regarding your products, your forms, your website, anything what you want. So you can create these leads from here. Next we have pages. In pages you can design and host amazing pages on Kartra. As I told you, Kartra is an amazing platform to host amazing pages. So you can just click and drag. You can easy to use, just to click and drag interface, and this is used to pick and customize gorgeous templates designs. You can even take orders and capture leads. You can also have design high converting sales page into lead capturing page. You will have highly mobile optimized system that so that all Kartra pages are 100% optimized for all types of devices and screens, that is desktop, laptop, mobile, phone, all look amazing for it. And you even have a detailed analytics that so that you can track everything: visitors, conversations, taggings, charts, everything else. Okay, so next we'll move to your forms. In this forms you can create a form so that someone will fill their first name, last name, email, and this is what and how your lead will be generated. So you have lead capture forms over here. You can choose from the fields, you can customize the style, you can even confirm your subscription. So this is the way how the form will look like on your website on Kartra pages. And you can even have this on any of your Kartra page. That may be your video page, that may be your communication page, that may be your product page, anywhere you can put. Okay, so next we'll move on to your memberships. In memberships, you can host your content in a membership portal. This is what a sample website will be looking like once you start your membership portal. You can create a comprehensive membership experience with multiple access levels for your customers. So you can put here logo, which will brand your membership content. Then you can put the section where you can create as many as sections and subsections you wish to. Next we'll have a post over here, so you can create a post and unlock them all at once or drip feed them progressively. Next we have a access level to decide which section will be accessible to each user level, for example bronze, silver, gold, whatever it is. Next we have a content, which will add dynamic content, downloads, videos, text copy, audio, podcast, and resource link. So next we have a sidebar banners, which will display ads and banners to other products and offers, which will even pay you a lot heck more than what other website does. Next we have my videos column. In this section you can add your videos personally. This is a state-of-the-art video engine, so you will optimally get a video quality, advanced tracking, lead capture, tagging and automations. What does advanced tracking mean? That you can tag your viewers based on how far they watch through how far they go through the video. Through lead capture you can build a pop opt-in forms directly into your video to convert viewers into your leads. You even have mobile optimized, so Katra crunches your video so they are light to load and fully optimized for all type of devices. And next you have detail analytics, which I even talked before about. Next, moving to calendars, you have a embedded a pre-configured template ready, so which will speed up your customer experience and ensure consistency in your answers. So in this you can build your branding and a page. You even have free or paid appointments, whatever you want. You can even customize the colors as well. Here you can bring out your own schedule. You can have notification reminders which will automate reminders to you and your customers, so nobody forgets to attend the appointment whatever the time they have been filed for. Next, you even have holidays, lunch break, etc. So don't worry, the calendar will automatically blank out your designated days off, lunchtime, buffer breaks between sessions. Okay, next we have centralized dashboard, which will view, manage, approve, cancel and reschedule all your sessions and classes from one centralized calendar dashboard. So you don't need any other calendar like Google Calendar or any other extra built calendar for this purpose. Katra will do all this for you in just one right platform. Next, you have your help desk. A ticket will be raised if you need any support with your customers with Katra help desk. So you will be assigning tickets. They will be assigning to you tickets, which will distribute the tickets among your help desk team members. You can have canned responses, predefined canned answers for the most common answers, so that will even save your time. You can have facts, which will create a wiki for articles to assist your customers in finding the right answer before they reach the ticket system. And you can have even a refund and cancellation issue, cancellations and refund from within the help desk ticket as well. Next, we have my campaigns category over here, which will help you to create and share full marketing campaigns. You get an amazing campaign or funnel configured in your Katra account, which you can share it with other users as well. These are some of the steps which you need to do, which is first create a campaign in your account. You will have 6 tags, 3 automations, 2 pages, 1 membership site and 1 email sequence. And next we have to share the code to other Katra members, so they'll just type the share code and the import will begin shortly. So this is how campaign works, and this is really cool feature, which is my integration. You can connect Katra with a number of third-party apps via supported integrations. You may even note that you may run multiple integrations, like you can have Katra Mail, A-Member, Authorize.net, Braintree, Digital Access, Elastic Mail, Kajabi, Google Calendar as well. You have Mailgun, Nexmo, you have Optimized Praise, PayPal. You have SendGrid, Stripe, Wishlist and Zapier as well. So you have these many integrations available by Katra, and you can even multiple from them. Next is your agency. You can run your own Katra agency. Just you need to do is sign up and manage multiple client accounts from one centralized dashboard, that is Katra. So what centralized account dashboard is, you can see all of your client account from one centralized dashboard within your own Katra account. You can choose your agency business model. So as an agency, you may register client's account in 2 different ways, which is by client account in bulk at 40% from our standard price and apply any markup you want to your clients. Next, you have link other existing accounts into your agency portfolio and manage them as a contractor. And you can even brand yourself. Every email you send on behalf of your client will have your agency logo embedded in the footer. and you can generate reports for your clients, send your clients reports on how actually their accounts is performing without having a log into actual account, and you can let them co-manage their account. If you want to let your clients log in and manage certain aspects of their account, you can create a login credential for them with limited permissions, so you can manage everything overall with Kartra. We'll go back to Kartra. We'll see more options available on the top of these, which is billing. You can even go to billing. I'll just show you how it looks like. So I have a Kartra Silver plan right now. My next bill is due on 10th of June 2021, which will be like around 199. And the payment plans, you can see whatever I have in Kartra Silver plan available with me, which is Kartra Starter, Silver, Gold, and whatever I get is mentioned over here. I get 12,500 leads, unlimited emails, unlimited GB bandwidth. I have 3 domains, unlimited all assets. So this is what we get with Kartra in this. So I'll just move back to dashboard and I'll show you. You have subscription sales. You can even track a overview from right here, so you'll get all of the results and overview of your Kartra website right from one place, that is dashboard. Okay, so that was pretty quick and pretty much for the tutorial for Kartra. Okay, so that was it for this video. I hope you liked this video. Please consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video. If you want to start a free trial, please check the link in description box below. And that was it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.